first product review. So it'll be on the Onewheel Pint. So the reason why I got this is because my brother-in-law actually bought this Onewheel before, and at first glance I was thinking, will it even be fun? Apparently after trying it, I was so wrong. Fell in love with it. In the end, I bought one for myself. So let's get to the unboxing right now. So the Onewheel comes in this big box here. So there's actually another box outside of it when they ship it to us. And then my box is actually open already from them because I actually bought a whole package that comes with a bumper and fenders and everything like that. So then everything will be consolidated into one box, and that is why my box is a bit weird. So anyway, Onewheel can reach a range of 10 to 13 kilometers. So it all depends on how you ride it, how heavy you are, and let's get straight to the unboxing. So what we have here, we have the charging kit, I suppose, yes, this charging kit with the owner's manual. So talking about the charging kit, this charger is the normal charger, so it is going to be about 2 hours to fully charge the Onewheel. But they do offer a fast charger as well that will take about 50 to 1 hour to fully charge the Onewheel. And then what we have here is actually the fender. So this one will be stick on the side of the Onewheel, right over here, and it gives you a lot of different look to it. And then we have a special bumper here. So that will fit right here. So you replace the black one over here with this color one. So there's a lot of color combination that you can actually mix and match from your website. This one will be right at the back. So I got a pretty bold color, and then we also have this fender, which is to cover the wheel. So you can choose to have this or without this. Okay, so let's even give you the tools to open it up and everything. So let's get to the introduction of the Onewheel now. Let me put this all away. Okay, immediately with the Onewheel. Okay, so basically for the Onewheel, how does it work? How it works is actually, you see how it does not balance like itself, right? But when you turn it on, you put your foot on the front pad. This is the front here. So it has a sensor. It's a pressure sensitive pad. So when there's a pressure, you know that there's a foot, and when you move it forward, it will self-balance it. Okay, so that self-balancing will give you the ability for it to, stay even while you go on a move. So how do you move forward and backwards, or even stop? It's basically this lean forward will push the wheel, the Onewheel forward, whereas if you lean backwards, it will brake and eventually come to a stop. So I will do a more in-depth review on that when I play it. Right now it's reading up. process for all these accessories in. because this one's not gonna be stick on, so I'm just gonna wait till I actually find time to clean the board really nicely, and so that the sticking process will be much better. But for now, what do you think of the board? So far it was very easy to change. It comes with the tools that you need, and just one single tool for all the screws that you need to, change the fender, change the side of the footwell. So let's try to see how it looks when it turns on. Pressure, it will engage, and so far it's looking really good. I can't wait to give it a try. Okay, so just now there was a stupid mistake by myself. You're gonna make sure the wordings, the hole, I accidentally stuck one of mine that's supposed to be for this side where it has the power socket hole on this side. But good thing I was able to take it off and manage to install it back right here. The adhesive is really strong. So the trick I used was actually to use a hairdryer to heat it up a bit so that it comes off much easily, but it was really hard. So take note of that. So let's get back right to it. Voila, everything's put on. So this is the final look of the board. I think it looks absolutely perfect. Really